Hi guys, welcome back. Here we go. It's been probably 2 weeks now since I last did any sort of videoing. A lot's changed. Last time I left you guys there was a big cave in with the trees, and now that has all gone, all cleared off. All of that earth is gone. The digger is out from where it was stuck. We've got 2 trees here that are still down. I've had to cut a load of them back there because where this had fallen down, I did not want these trees falling down onto their house. So it's been quite a productive time since I left you off. I tidied up. Well, almost tidied up. I swept everything up in a pile and left it there. Today we are looking at filling the cavity with a lean mix concrete down there now. There's nothing really down there, just some leaves that need clearing out. You have to fill it up at a slant so that if any water falls in there, it rolls forward to the front skin and the water gets dispersed through the brickwork. First things first, you just go and get some ballast from the quarry. So while it's raining, hopefully it'll clear up. I'll go and get that now, and we can make a push on, make a start, get some stuff done. Alright. You open to the public, yeah?
Not personally, no.
No. I'm just after 3/4 of a ton of ballast.
Yeah, I can do a cash deal.
Yeah?
Yep. Right.
I've only got 40 quid on me, is that enough?
I don't usually work it, so I'm not
right,
sure.
okay.
So it's about 42 quid.
A ton.
For a ton, so it'll be less.
Yeah, that'd be fine. That works out.
Okie doke.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
Alright, no worries.
Okay.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. I'll be back in a minute. Cheers, pal. Right, we're back. Got the sand, cement, well, ballast and cement. Before we get on with it, start knocking it up, I'm going to explain why I'm doing this. So, first off, that there is the cavity. Goes all the way around the whole building, outside skin, inside skin, floor. Now this cavity has to be filled. I can't really show you here because I can't really get the camera in there because it's just too small. So what I'll do, I'll explain with a simple drawing. So what we have got, we'll call that, oh let's put you in focus first. We'll call that the outside, so that is where I'm going to be walking around. And then we got, that's brickwork, so that'll be the bricks. Then you have the cavity, we'll call C, the cavity. And then you have the blocks and the block and beam floor here, and we have the block work inside here, and we also have that bit of plastic that we put in, that is underneath there, so we'll do that a really dark black line to show that that's the DPC. So DPC is here, this is the cavity. So what we have to do is you have to fill the cavity with ballast. Now it has to be 150mm down from the DPC, so 150mm down, and then it has to slope like this. So slopes like that. So say that's 150mm. Now the reason this gets done is because if any water for some reason or other gets into the cavity, it will land on here and it will roll down and it will get pushed into this wall, and then all the damp will soak into this wall. There will be a DPC up here somewhere, so all that water could soak in, but it is not going to go any further up. And in here, any water is in here, it still won't go up through that DPC. There's going to be another DPC up here that the wall's going to sit on, like so. So DPC there, DPC there. There will be a detail in the middle of some DPC trays, but I'll get into that when we start doing that. I'm going to crack on with that now. Now I've done my little bit of teaching for the day, pencil behind the ear, very stereotypical of a builder. Yeah, so crack on and let's get this mixer going. When we knock this up, we don't want it too wet, so I'm just going to put a little bit of water in it. We don't want it too wet because we don't want to put it in the cavity and it just slosh around everywhere. So have a nice consistency, a bit stiff, so you can just jam it in there, and I've got a stick and just jam it down to make sure I get that angle. So we'll just knock a few up and see how it goes. Now that we've got the muck here, all we have to do is get a shovel, put a load of that, chuck it down here. I've made a stick to try and get that angle right. As you can see on the end there, a nice 45-degree angle. So when I wedge it in there, it should make a nice little ramp. And that is the general idea of how it goes. Just measure that to make sure it's 150, and we're good. Do that all the way around the whole build. Hopefully that amount of ballast that I've got should be enough. Good old trusty trowel, trusty stick for the whacking, and yeah, there's a bloody lot of it as well. Right, I'll get back to you guys once I've done it all. Right, it's been a couple of days now. Got the cavity all filled up, got that done, nice. Took a couple of days because it pissed down with rain. standard, and the cavity that we've been filling up got full of water, so I had to knock up the ballast and sand without any water and put it in dry, so the water took to it and it filled it up nicely. We've got a nice slant in there now, and that goes all the way around. Just checking it all. Right, I'll leave it there, guys. If you haven't already, nice time to subscribe, it helps me out. Smash that like button if you've enjoyed this. Get down in the comments, be good to hear from you. I'll be down there chattering away. Yeah, no worries. I'll see you next time. Peace out.